Welcome to the introduction of the MOVI-C Address Editor, which is available from MOVISUITE version 2.31. The new address editor lets you adjust certain parameters of the fieldbus interface before startup, such as the fieldbus IP addresses of various devices. What can the address editor be used for? The MOVI-C Address Editor from SEW-EURODRIVE allows you to find supported devices with Profinet or Ethernet IP or Modbus TCP fieldbus interface in the connected network. You can then use the address editor to adjust various addressing-related parameters for the devices found. Which devices are supported? The current version supports decentralized drives from the MOVI-C modular system, control cabinet inverters of the types MOVI-Drive Technology and MOVI-Drug Advanced, as well as MOVI-C controllers of sizes 25 and 45. Devices from other manufacturers are not listed in the address editor. For a detailed list of all supported devices, refer to the current address editor manual. We will now show you step by step how to use the address editor. The address editor is installed together with MOVISUITE 2.31. To open the address editor, go to the Start menu in Windows and select the MOVI-C Address Editor application. After having started the program, the Configure Communication window opens. In this window, you now have to select the matching Ethernet adapter. You can also adjust the scan timeout as well as the address change timeout to increase the search time. After confirming the entries, you can start scanning the network by clicking the Scan Network button. The address editor then lists all the devices found in the network. The device list can be sorted in different ways. The sorting criteria include, among others, the IP address, device name, or standard gateway. To start sorting, click on the required criterion to be used for sorting in the Sort selection list. The address editor also offers the option of having a LED on the inverter flash by clicking the Start Flashing button. This makes it easier to identify an inverter, for example in a control cabinet with many other devices. The LED flashes for 30 seconds. From MOVISUITE version 2.40, the LED will flash for an unlimited time until the function is terminated manually or the address editor is closed. In the Device Information area, you can change the Profinet name of Profinet devices. The device class, serial number and MAC address are also displayed here. In the Adjacent Communication area, the fieldbus IP address, the subnet mask and the standard gateway can be changed for Profinet as well as for Ethernet IP or Modbus TCP devices. In addition, DHCP can be activated or deactivated for Ethernet IP or Modbus TCP devices. The interface type and the Ethernet connection can also be found here. The address editor automatically validates the parameters entered. If an invalid entry is made, the input field is outlined in red and the value cannot be applied. Further information about the reason for the error message is displayed when clicking on the red error icon and a solution is suggested. The last entries can be undone by clicking the Undo button. You can reset all parameters to their default values by clicking the Factory Setting button. If changes were made to the parameters, you can transfer them by clicking the Apply button. If you have made changes to several devices, you can transfer them together by clicking the Apply Changes button. For more information on the address editor, refer to the manual that can be accessed via the Help function or the F1 key. Thank you very much for your interest in the MOVISUITE engineering software.